Hey everybody, it's Rusty Pop with Pop Properties of Antero Real Estate Services, and I'm super excited to bring this one to you today. We're at 432 Sherwood Court in Watsonville, California. One of the best places you can be as far as weather is concerned, literally almost on Earth. This particular property is a great value. It's 1,152 square feet, 2 full bedrooms with 2.5 bathrooms, and both bedrooms are massive primary suites. But that's not all. This house has everything that you could want in your first home. Number one, it's completely turnkey, and what I mean by that is you could move right in and everything's already done for you. The kitchen has been remodeled, all the bathrooms have been remodeled, the flooring in this house is new with high-end LVP flooring here on the bottom floor, really high-end carpet going up the stairs and into the 2 primary suites, new paint, new trim, new hardware, and new appliances. In addition to that, this townhome does have a 1-car garage and an additional parking space in front of the garage, making parking, which comes at a premium in townhomes, really nice. And I'm always going to say this about any townhome, it's a premium to have a washer and dryer in your unit, and this one has it in the garage. So you actually have a garage, plus you have washer and dryer in there. Some of your capital upgrades are already taken care of, one of which is double pane windows, very well maintained from the standpoint of landscaping, as well as the exterior of the building, including paint and roof. And then my personal favorite thing about this home in general is just that it's so spacious for a 2-bedroom townhome. The master bedrooms, both of them are absolutely massive. In addition to the living space having this wonderful flow, really, where you kind of have a dining, living, patio kind of combo all at once, which really makes this a small space being very good for entertaining. One of the things that's really unique about 432 Sherwood, this unit in particular, is that we have the traditional back patio deck, but we also have a deck on the front of the property as well, which could be great for sitting out and enjoying your coffee. Super rare to find is having views of a body of water, and we have a literally unobstructed view of a small body of water right outside of both your patio as well as your master bedroom windows. So as a Watsonville native, one of the things that I can tell you is that the weather here couldn't be more perfect. It's one of the best climates in the entire world. I feel like it's almost 65 to 70 degrees every single day of the year. Sounds impossible, but it's really not. There's so many beaches around here. One of my personal favorites that I remember going to as a kid was Sunset Beach, which is probably 10 minutes from here. All the beaches in Capitola, Soquel, and Santa Cruz, all the way down to Monterey. So it's a great location for recreation on either side. You're also a great commute location to Silicon Valley, which is one of the most world-renowned employment centers anywhere, which is about 45 minutes drive from here. An amazingly central location on the Central Coast, in addition to being extremely affordable. This house has everything that you could possibly need for your first home or for an investment property. So if you have any questions about it, please feel free to hit me up and I'll let you know exactly what it's going to take to make this yours.